it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well, huh?
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Chateau mama, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well, huh?
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my will.
Rolling stone.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Tonight I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that. I'm a lover boy, she got the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a count my figures. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. Live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my legs, sending action. These days no kumbaya. Lasting, living in the middle. Might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up. Ain't no bad. Bloody murder. There ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
up, y'all? It's your girl CieraShari Official, and I am back with another wig review. Today, this wig review is brought to you by WestKissHair, and I am loving it. Look, color vibe. This is really cute. It's really cute. This is their 99J colored deep wave 22-inch unit, and this is the natural state of this unit. I didn't have to do any plucking. It already came pre-plucked. Yeah, it already came pre-plucked. So all I did before installing this wig is washed it and let it air dry. So there is no product on here. These are the natural curls of this unit. I haven't had a fully colored unit and I don't know how long. And what's so crazy is, y'all, I actually had a unit years ago when frontals was just coming out. I had this exact same color wig. Like, brings back memories. But yes, it is a bomb unit. As you can see, I did go in and add a little concealer because I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I just tinted them with my even tint powder. So let's get into what it is that y'all really want to know. What all did they send me? Of course, they sent me this beautiful unit. They sent it in bomb packaging. So as you see at the bottom, I have a small cap. It is 180 density, a 13x4, and it is HD lace. So they give you all the specs of the unit on the side of the bag. I have some HD caps. Of course, I did use an HD cap, and I did go in and do the ball cap method for this unit. I plan on having it on for a day or two, so I just need to make sure that it's on. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, you can wear this unit glueless. It has a band inside, and it also has the bands in the back. So when I first put it on, it was actually kind of, you know, secure, but I just like a little extra. They also sent me I think this is a bonnet. Yes, they sent this beautiful royal blue bonnet, as well as a pair of lashes, WestKiss lashes, with edge brush. I did not do any baby hair on this unit. It honestly doesn't need any. I can't wait to see how it looks straightened, because I do plan on straightening this unit. Of course, they sent their signature wig bag with all of their handles on the back. And as you saw in my install, they sent their signature wig band. I love a good new wig band. So that is all of what they sent me in my packaging. I will say, when I washed and detangled this wig, it honestly shedded. It did shed. The color also did kind of bleed, which was kind of expected because it's burgundy. So I expected that. But since I've detangled the wig and washed it, let it air dry, and I've installed the wig, I am barely getting any shedding, literally nothing. So I will say, before you purchase this wig and install it, to wash it, because if you don't, you're gonna get some shedding. Like, I'm sitting here literally running my hands through the wig, caught a little snag right there, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got like 2 strands of hair So that says a lot, because if you know, you know, a curly wig is gonna shed. Okay, it's gonna shed. But I absolutely love it. I haven't had fully colored hair in so long, and this honestly is just bringing back memories. I would like to say thank you to WestKissHair for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful 99J 180 density deep wave wig. Yeah, that is it, and that is all, and it is laid. Okay, I love y'all.